Sampayetia. Obayan Sapuso Bundia one kana sam. They map to some Kakrewa Supreme. Yo, Kofi, oh my, a woman, oh many, a mamma. Geni baby, watch out, Zaya Warren. One some, one in pa, as I dip of you. Gamo Embera, oh my, a woman, oh my, a mamma. Had the wire no ra, Yamita, Yamana Rena. One so, one in pa.
Hello guys, welcome to Kweku Tech. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. Today we are at the Crystal Heights International School 4th graduation, and we are invited here by the IoT Network Hub. They are having an exhibition in collaboration with the Crystal Heights Robotics.
My name is Jomo Anyete. I am in class 3. I am 8 years old. My name is Ryan James Finumapal. I am in class 3. I am 9 years old.
My name is Hakman Afrani. I am 9 years old and I am in class 3.
My name is Saros Kwabna Boachi and I am in class 3. I am 9 years old.
My name is Adelaide Masar. I am in class 3. I am 9 years old. I want to talk about this project based on robotics called the Mini Smart Car. The Mini Smart Car is a mini car which uses a remote control for transportation, which without polluting the environment. The materials used were the direct current motor, batteries, plastics and tires, just to mention a few. It works using a remote control.
So, which of you can tell me the programming language that was used in programming this? Okay, ladies.
We use the Arduino ID.
That's nice. That is the ID. Which programming language?
C++ language.
Thank you very much. Thank you. That means you really know what you did.
Hi, my name is Julian Kusiamwaku. I'm 11 years old and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Pelna Odole Ode and I'm 10 years old and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Jason Asumeni Kwabna Auntie and I'm 10 years old and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Yolanda Fafali Tenkrai. I am in grade 5 and I am 9 years old.
My name is Siddharth Adam. I am in grade 5 and I am 9 years old.
Okay. So as you can see here is a smart dashboard. The reason why it's called smart is because of how it automatically opens. And it can operate itself. Handicapped people can easily throw their trash away, and people do not have to make any contact with it.
So some importance of this dustbin is that you don't have to stress yourself to open the dustbin. So it makes it easy for you to throw your trash away.
Some of the materials of this dustbin are cardboard, Arduino board, jumper wire, motor, and Arduino cord. Arduino cord.
The future modification will be that we will use metal and plastic to make the dustbin.
This is how it works.
This is the demonstration of the smart dustbin.
So how long did it take you to manufacture this smart dustbin?
It took us 1 week.
1 week. Wow. What were some of the challenges you faced when developing this?
When we were cutting the boxes and adding the jumper wires, we were running out of stuff, so we had to buy stuff.
And it couldn't open.
So which programming language was used?
Coding.
Which code? Which
C++.
C++. Oh, that's nice. So what ID was used?
Arduino ID.
That's really nice. So can I take it home? Why? You are going to display it. Oh, okay, that's nice. I would love to have one in the future. I hope you do one for me.
Yes.
Okay. With the future modification, right? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you.
My name is Kelvin Anakufuji. I'm 10 years old and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Kweku from Parabi. I am 11 years old and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Adam Afetrom. I am 11 years old and I am in grade 5.
My name is Julian Kusi Amwako. I'm 11 years old and I'm in grade 5.
My name is Mensma Christine Mensadazi and I am in grade 5. I am 9 years old.
My name is Melinda Buatin. I am 9 years old and I'm in grade 5. This is a smart walking stick. It's used by blind people. The Arduino sensor senses an obstacle on the way when a blind person is approaching something.
The materials are a battery, a jumper wire, Arduino, a buzzer, and a vibrator.
So this will help blind people by helping them notice the obstacles in front of them, so as to help them move around and stay safe.
The future will be a solar panel. There will be a solar panel available to charge so that there will be no battery else. We keep on buying batteries. So when we use the solar, it helps save money. Thanks.
The walking stick will sense an obstacle if the person is walking closer to the obstacle. As you can see, the buzzer is beeping so that the person can see that if the obstacle is coming or not.
How long did it take you to develop this?
5 days.
5 days. Wow, this is marvelous. What are some of the difficulties you face when developing this?
Say the code.
So please, the battery was running out fast, and that led to the power wasn't very strong, so it couldn't come fully charged.
The LED was taking all the power from the vibrator, so we had to use a different code.
That's nice. Who can show me the buzzer? Where is the noise coming from?
The noise is coming from this place, and the reason why it vibrates, there's a small thing here that vibrates when power goes through it.
Okay, so if the person is walking and there's an obstacle, the stick vibrates.
Yes, sir. We added a vibrator because not all blind people can hear the noise.
Okay. That's really good. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Rejoice Vegan. I'm in grade 9 and I'm 16 years.
Cafe Manketi, grade 9, 15 years.
Amos Novenio, grade 9, 17 years.
James Abezge Soa, grade 9, 15 years.
Amugubengo Nesta is my name. I'm in final year and I'm 16 years. My team and I produce the washing booth, my team and I produce the washing booth, which senses our hand when we wash. Mode of operation.
The materials used in making our item here is cardboard, and it has a sensor whereby when someone places her under it, it sends and bring water through the taps to wash your hand. After you move your hand, it stops.
For our feature modification, we would like to make it in the form of a metal and add a motion sensor so that it can sense motion around it. Thank you.
For the importance and disadvantages, it helps one washes the hand and it prevents the spread of germs and diseases because we don't touch the tap when we are washing our hands. And for disadvantage, it uses battery, which is a renewable source and must be renewed every time.
So for the mode of operation,
Thank you for watching this video. A sub to the channel will really help. See you in the next video. Peace.